Ethiopia's war keeps millions out of schools. 100 Indian professors jobless. Ethiopia's war in Tigray has kept more than 1 million students out of schools, universities and made hundreds of Indian professors jobless. The actual number of Indian academics presently working in Ethiopia is unclear. However, the developing war in Ethiopia has resulted in damage to schools and educational institutions, with the country's education ministry stating that 1.42 million students have been unable to attend classes in the Tigray area. The war broke out last November and turbulent uncertainties made universities and colleges in Tigray shut down, forcing Indians in the region to return home. Indian educators have historically played an important role in Ethiopia, where the first batch of Indian teachers went to Ethiopia from Kerala in the 1950s. The first wave of recruitment of Indian teachers was handed over to the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church, which had great connections with the Indian Orthodox churches, predominantly in Kerala, said Nair. As news spread of job opportunities in Ethiopia, teachers across India began responding to recruitment advertisements for employment in primary schools, directly conducted under the supervision of the Ethiopian Embassy in New Delhi. The Ethiopian government took to recruiting Indians because educators from the West demanded high salaries that Ethiopia could not afford, compelling Haile Selassie to turn to India. As a legacy of British colonialism, English was the medium of instruction in several public and private schools in India, particularly in urban centers. Hence, in India, Ethiopia found teachers who would be able to impart education in English across age groups at lower salaries than their Western counterparts. Indians were posted not just in the capital Addis Ababa, but they were also recruited for teaching positions in schools in smaller towns and remote villages, a trend that lasted for more than 5 decades.